Hi, this is Todd Baker, and welcome to another edition of The Prosperous Agent. And in this episode, I'm going to give you just some quick tips on what to do in this low inventory market to have a way higher conversion ratio, make sure that your clients are the ones that are winning the bidding war that we're seeing in these properties. All right, so here's how this came about. I had a boatload of pre-approvals, and every single one of them seems like the client's getting in and the agent calls, and I'm talking houses are on the market 3 or 4 days. And all of a sudden, it's like, well, there's 5 offers on the property. What do we need to do? So what we do is this. I'm teaming up with the agent and the client, and we're developing a range of closing. So in other words, here's your purchase price. Here's if we can have our druthers. We want this amount paid for closing. However, we can live with this amount. So for example, let's say someone's making a $150,000 offer on a property, and we'd like to get $6,000 for closing. I'm going to give the agent a range. Hey, we need $6,000 would be great because we can do a lot of good work with that in terms of the client's financial plan, but we can survive with $2,000. And that empowers us to go in with clarity from the client's position, and also the agent's empowered to go and make a very good initial offer, get that counter offer, and wrap it up with the response to the counter offer at one fell swoop. It works very, very well. The key is that you have to have your own loan officer. I don't mean a preferred lender. I mean your own loan officer that you're doing business with on a regular basis, that understands your style, that works with you and the client, and it's going to empower you to do your job well. I'd love to be that if I'm not already doing that for you, but if it's not me, get with someone and not just the preferred lender. The other thing is that if you have a client that says, oh, well, I'm already pre-approved, have enough confidence to say, you know what, you should always get a second opinion. I work with a certified mortgage planner. He helps build financial plans. It will save you possibly tens of thousands of dollars by structuring your loan the right way. You probably ought to get a second opinion. Because if you have your team working on it, your chances of success are much higher. And at the very minimum, if it's a lender you don't know and the client says, no, I really want to go with Bank of America, you should call the loan officer and say, hey, where does this guy need cash to close? What are what's the minimum? What's the max? Get that range and work that out with your client. So I hope you found this helpful. I'll get another video out real soon. I hope you have a great evening.